The Centre for Excellence in Teaching and Learning, in collaboration with the College of Graduate Studies, launched UAEU's inaugural PhD Students Teaching Academy programme in spring 2019. This is a blended learning programme which prepares PhD students to start a teaching career in academia by providing them with an opportunity to gain hands-on experience with a range of teaching and learning pedagogies, instructional technologies and best practices for our specific context. Join us in congratulating this first cohort of exceptional students who we hope will soon become our peers and colleagues. Thank you.